Mastering enjoy, the key to expressing preferences in English. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our video series on expressing preferences in English. Today, we're focusing on a powerful and commonly used word, enjoy. Specifically, we'll break down the structure of sentences with enjoy. This will help you confidently express your likes and preferences in English conversations. Let's begin by understanding what enjoy means. Enjoy is a verb that implies taking pleasure or delight in something. It's often used when we want to show that we like doing something or we like something. For example, I enjoy reading means I derive pleasure from the act of reading. Simple, right? When it comes to sentence structure, enjoy is followed by a noun, a pronoun, or the ing form of a verb, known as a gerund. For example, with a noun, I enjoy coffee. With a pronoun, I enjoy it. With a gerund, I enjoy reading. Notice how in the last example, we are not just talking about a thing, but an activity that we find pleasurable. In some cases, you might want to add more detail to your sentence. This is where direct and indirect objects come into play. A direct object answers the question, what, or who, after the verb. An indirect object answers the question, to whom, or for whom. The action of the verb is done. For example, I enjoy giving presents to my friends. Presents is the direct object and my friends is the indirect object. Finally, it's important to note that we can't use enjoy with an infinitive verb, the to form. For example, I enjoy to read is incorrect. Instead, we say, I enjoy reading. And that wraps up our discussion on using enjoy to express preferences in English. Remember, the key is to follow enjoy with a noun, a pronoun, or a gerund. And avoid the infinitive form of the verb. Practice makes perfect, so keep trying to use enjoy in your daily conversations. Before you know it, you'll be using it with ease and confidence. As always, we hope you found this video helpful. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.